pretty.
Isa.
Hi, I have Chica. Oh my gosh, my voice, sorry. Chica as I do my skin. Joke lang, mag-aayos muna ako ng mukha. Wait lang. A week ago, I was so happy because my skin was clearing up. But then, something energy-wise happened. Energy-wise. Basta basically, someone complimented me and then boom. Like, what the... ano nangyari, be? Ba't ka ganyan? But anyway, this is my skin before and this is how I'm doing now. I mean, it's fine kasi it's gonna go away naman, but protect your energy, guys. It's evil eye is real. Real as daylight. But at the same time, logically speaking, ayoko naman isisi lahat sa evil eye, no? But I think kasi, oops. Pero at the same time, ayokong isisi lahat sa evil eye. Kasi, logically speaking, or realistically speaking talaga, or scientifically speaking, baka merong bacteria. Either evil eye, bacteria, hormones. Kakatapos lang kasi ng period ko, so, I think it's another factor kung bakit lumawas yan, mga yan. But it's fine. Kasi, in my head, they're not there. It's fine. It's normal. And I'm still pretty. Pretty. Still gorgeous. You know what I mean? Always gorgeous. Pero ayun. Ayun na nga ang chika. Pero ewan ko kasi feeling ko talaga wala namang masamang maniwala sa evil eye, but I think it's another thing kung bakit may mga nangyayaring mga bagay-bagay. Like, halimbawa, we announce something good, and then someone who's cheering for us or happy for us has an evil eye, tapos the next day, biglang mawawala lahat ng plano or something. Yeah, I believe in that things. But anyway, protect your energy, your spirituality. Yes. Apparently, I'm lactose intolerant. Ginagasite ko lang yung sarili ko into thinking acidic lang ako. Or, it's just gas.
Girl, it's milk. It's dairy.
Pero alam mo na, masarap yung bawang. So, natanggal yung kuko ko dahil kaka-fidget ko yan. So, yeah. Done. Hi. I took a nap at around 12 p.m. and it's currently 4 p.m. So, ay, hindi pala ako 12 natulog. 11. So, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. Okay, it's time to get the fuck up. I'm going to eat lunch. Hindi pa ako nagla-lunch. See ya. Other than remove the makeup.
And dito mo nare-recta mo. Kasi tapos na mag-ano ng tubig. Tingnan mo, tahimik no? Hindi mo alam yung naglalaba.
Ate ang kanya mga taga-suporta dumak.